Hello everyone, this is Jim Ogrozinski with your week 15 screencast video. So as I mentioned here, I hope you all had a good Thanksgiving holiday. So I just want to review the schedule for this week. Tuesday, end of day, revision plan number 2 will be due. The first draft of the cover letter assignment, which is Essay 4, is due Friday along with the peer report. Your 2 peer reviews are due Sunday end of day, typical pattern for the essay drafting week. And I believe your final draft of essay 4 will be due that week from Tuesday. So revision plan was due on Tuesday the 24th. If one was submitted, it has been reviewed and commented and graded if you want to check with those. Also, be sure to take a look at some of those. Some students were not uploading their GDocs to the Google Drive folder, so I had an issue viewing some of the documents there. So I just want to take a minute to just to look at the Google Drive instructions and remind everybody to build their folders in the SA4 folders, as it says here in the Google Drive instructions, if Blackboard ever decides to display the content, because it's just taking forever, as Blackboard usually does here. But in the SA4 folder, you need to have, as usual, your draft, first draft of the cover letter. You also need to have the peer report and the final draft, the 2 revised copies of the essay, and your revision plans. So if your revision plans are not in the course folder, I do not have access to those. I really do need for Blackboard to decide to display a page here. For some particular reason. I have no idea why. Oh, yes, there we go. God, glad it's not a 911 call here. Okay, so yes, first draft peer review report, the final draft, as we've always done for every essay assignment, the 2 revised essays for uploading to the portfolio, and the revision plan for each essay to match those assignments. So if they're not in a folder, I can't view them. So you want to make sure that you do have that folder created in the Google Drive folder. Review the cover letter assignment one more time. As you get ready to draft this week, I will post a screencast, I should say a lecture video later in the week about the e-portfolio. So just to give you a heads up here, I'll just mention this quickly. It will save the in-depth discussion for the lecture video. So the e-portfolio is where you're going to build a single web page using Google Sites. Pretty easy assignment. The cover letter is going to be required to your essay 4. Once it's finished, your final draft serves exactly what it is, the cover letter to the portfolio. Your 2 revised and proofed essays with a short introduction as to why you chose to revise that particular essay. The revision plan for each of the revised essays, and then a short reflection on what it was like to build an e-portfolio. So I give you the link to Google Sites. Also, last semester when we went out on the pandemic pause there, I produced a special edition video on how to build an e-portfolio using Google Sites. I did this for my Moraine Valley 101 students. The steps can really be adapted to what it is that you will be doing, and I'll talk about that a little bit more, but you might want to get a little bit of a heads up on that video. So if you have any questions or issues this week, make sure that you are staying ahead of the curve. If something's going on, give me a heads up. We do have 2 weeks left, and then we're moving in the finals. So time is fleeting. All right, then. Good luck. Stay safe.